Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your personal property insurance with Farmers step by step clearly. To increase your personal property insurance with Farmers, start by gathering your current policy documents. Review your existing coverage limits and deductibles. Identify any specific items or assets that may require additional protection. Contact your local Farmers insurance agent. Schedule a meeting to discuss your current policy and your needs. During the meeting, explain why you're looking to increase your coverage. Ask about the different types of endorsements or riders available for your policy. Inquire about replacement cost coverage versus actual cash value. Discuss the potential impact of increased coverage on your premiums. Provide a list of high-value items for adequate appraisal, such as jewelry, electronics, or collectibles. Request an evaluation of your current home inventory with your agent. Consider taking photos or videos of your valuable items as documentation. Review any discounts you may qualify for by bundling policies or maintaining a good claims history. Ask about the process of adjusting your coverage limits and the timeline involved. Follow up with any additional questions after the meeting for clarity. Confirm any changes made to your policy in writing once everything is settled. Keep a copy of your updated policy documents in a safe location for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step